Let's talk about removing images. So first we run docker images. Now in this list, we have a bunch of images that have no name and no tag. These are what we call dangling images, meaning loose images. These are essentially layers that have no relationship with a tagged image. So as we were changing our Docker file and rebuilding our image, Docker was creating these layers, and at some point, these layers lost their relationship with our React app image. So as you work with Docker, you see these dangling images popping up all the time. To get rid of them, we have to use the prune command. So we type docker image prune. It's asking for confirmation. Yes. All right. Nothing was deleted in this case because we still have containers running an older React app image. Let's verify it. So we run docker ps. Currently, we have no running containers, but we probably have a bunch of containers in the stopped state. So we run docker ps-a, that is short for all. So look, we have tons of containers that are currently stopped. So we can get rid of these containers as well. How? Very easy. Docker container prune. So it's asking if you want to remove all stopped containers. Yes. Good. So all these stopped containers are deleted, and this freed up on this machine 60 megabytes of space. Now let's run docker image prune one more time. Yes. Great. So all these dangling images are removed. Now, if we run docker images, we only see the proper images we have created or pulled from Docker Hub. Great. Now, how do we remove one of these images? We run docker image. So all image management operations start with docker image. If we simply press enter here, you can see all these subcommands. So we can build an image. This is equivalent to running docker build. We can also see the history of an image. We can load an image, we can prune images, and so on. Now in this list, we also have remove for removing one or more images. So let's bring up the list of images one more time, because here we need the name or the ID of an image. So we can run docker image remove. We can either reference an image by its name. For example, we can remove React app, or we can reference using its image ID, df3. And if you want to remove multiple images, we type them all here, separated by a space. Now in this demo, I want to delete hello Docker image. Okay, let's verify it's gone. Docker images, good.